Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Teck. In this video I will talk about Google Play Store offers. I got a new offer in my United States Play account and here you can see the offer. The offer is now saved. Okay, now let's just tap on the get reward and here you can see the offer details. $2 discount from Play on app, game or in-app item. The offer will expire 27 January and here you can see use your $2 Play discount on single app, game or in-app item over $2 offer available at checkout. If you want to buy some app or game over $2, you will get $2 discount. This is the offer. Okay, now here you can see the full terms and conditions for this offer. Okay, now and here you can see popular choices, popular games or popular apps you can use this offer. Okay, now I will try to use the offer. Okay, for this just tap on the shop now and here you can see we are in the app section in Play Store. Now let's just go to top charts and here you can see top paid. And here is an application. Here you can see Power Amp and the price of this application is $4.99. Okay, now if you just tap here and here you can see the offer is applicable for this app. Okay, if you just try to buy this you have to pay $2.99. Okay, you will get $2 discount as the offer is now available. Okay, if you want to buy some apps or games, this offer will be helpful for you. Okay, now tell me one thing in the comment section below, if you have a United States account, you got this offer or not. Okay, bye, see you guys in the next video.